your banner, about section, about your channel, customize your select your custom URL, or add any link, and add a Gmail. So these are the steps you just followed, and then customization tab, all steps are done. Then go to the copyright section. There is nothing to do. Then go to content. When you go to content, there will show you the videos you uploaded or not. You can simply upload here your new videos, but now we will make a default title, thumbnail, title, description and tags for all of your videos to easily upload your video. And the title and description you added on default setting, it will automatically added on any video that you are uploading, so that it will make you easy to upload any video. So go to the settings, then go to upload default. Here you can write a title, description, tags you want to, and then visibility to publish, unpublish, private, anything you want. Here simply add any tags you mostly use in your videos, then add a detailful description on your channel, so it will describe in your videos which topic you want to cover. Detail in the upper side of description, leave it and or blank. Just when you write it all, then check the title, check the description properly, check the tags, and then go to advanced setting, select your license. This is the most important part of your channel. There is two options. It will show you standard YouTube license, which will give you YouTube will give you license to these videos you just uploaded, and no one can else use it. If they use, you will get a notification from YouTube, or added the copyright section. That video will show you on the copyright section. You can simply strike on that. When you click on the Creative Commons license, it will allow the user to use your content, and you can't do anything. So select the standard YouTube license first to